Hi there, it's Ollie with Adam B. Just doing a quick video walk around of this stunning Toyota Corolla we've just bought. As you can see, it's kept in fantastic condition. Great service history, done locally, and then we've just had one done at Toyota, so that benefits from the warranty that comes with it. We've got the sliding panoramic roof, sensors all around the vehicle. Lovely paintwork to it as well. Wheels really make it look nice. Tyres have all got plenty of tread on them. I'll just jump inside the car and show you that. Here we are on the inside. Seats are all in great condition, no signs of wear and tear or anything. Back seats are all in good nick as well. So you've got the opening panoramic roof, locking wheel nuts there, 2 keys, heated seats, sat nav, all them good bits and bobs. But, if this is the vehicle you're interested in, please do feel free to give us a call on 01629 822 977 or drop us an email on info@adambead.co.uk. We offer finance, part exchange, extended warranties. So give us a call and we'll take it from there. Thank you very much.